Microsoft's ambitious $3.2 billion investment propels Sweden into technological renaissance. In a groundbreaking development set to reshape Sweden's technological landscape, global tech giant Microsoft has unveiled plans for a monumental investment totaling 33.7 billion Swedish crowns, equivalent to a staggering 3.21 billion US dollars. This ambitious endeavor, spanning a 2-year period, signifies Microsoft's unwavering commitment to accelerating the growth of Sweden's digital economy and positioning the nation at the forefront of the global AI and cloud computing revolution. At the core of this transformative initiative lies a multifaceted strategy aimed at bolstering Sweden's technological infrastructure while simultaneously nurturing a thriving ecosystem of AI talent. Microsoft's visionary investment encompasses the expansion of cloud and artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities, with a particular emphasis on enhancing data processing efficiency and accelerating innovation across diverse sectors. Central to Microsoft's strategic blueprint is the deployment of 20,000 cutting-edge graphics processing units (GPUs) across its state-of-the-art data center facilities located in Sandviken, Gävle, and Staffanstorp. These advanced GPUs, renowned for their unparalleled computational prowess, are poised to revolutionize data analytics, machine learning, and scientific research, thereby unlocking new frontiers of discovery and driving exponential advancements in AI-driven technologies. Beyond fortifying Sweden's technological infrastructure, Microsoft's investment endeavors to cultivate a skilled workforce equipped with the expertise necessary to thrive in the AI-driven economy of tomorrow. The company has pledged to provide comprehensive training programs aimed at upskilling 250,000 individuals in AI-related disciplines, representing a remarkable 2.4% of Sweden's population. By empowering a significant portion of the workforce with advanced AI skills, Microsoft seeks to fuel innovation, spur economic growth, and enhance Sweden's global competitiveness in the digital age. Brad Smith, Microsoft's vice chair and president, underscored the transformative potential of this monumental investment, emphasizing its broader implications for Sweden's socio-economic development. Smith reiterated that the initiative transcends mere technological advancements, representing a profound commitment to democratizing access to essential tools and knowledge vital for Sweden's continued prosperity in the AI era. The announcement of Microsoft's historic investment coincided with a high-profile meeting between Brad Smith and Swedish Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson in Stockholm, symbolizing a strategic partnership aimed at driving Sweden's technological evolution forward. As Microsoft reaffirms its commitment to Sweden, the company's vision extends beyond national borders, encompassing plans to foster AI adoption and innovation across the broader Nordic region, including Denmark, Finland, Iceland, and Norway. In essence, Microsoft's transformative investment heralds a new era of technological renaissance for Sweden, catalyzing innovation, fostering collaboration, and propelling the nation into a position of global leadership in the burgeoning field of AI and cloud computing. As Sweden embraces the opportunities afforded by this landmark investment, the stage is set for unprecedented growth, prosperity, and technological excellence in the years to come.